Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Marker, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing of an item, and it's from Uni from a studio called Septem Studio. So yeah. So no chit chat. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Like right now. Alrighty, now what is in that mysterious package? From, of course, that site. From obviously Septem Studios. WatchBand and KeyChain compass in one. Okay. Does look like a canister for tobacco, you know. But it's not. Here's some sort of like a sticker or instruction that you can change, interchangeable. Let's take a look, shall we? And it could fit watch bands somewhere between 20 to 24 millimeters. Pause it very carefully, boys and girls, and ladies and germs. Okay. Very cool. And here it is. Voila. Okay. Here's this section for the band. Okay, and this is gonna be hard for me to get out of. Huh. Okay, hold on a second, folks. All right, here's the compass. Here's how's the packaging and everything. Now let's read of the instructions, shall we? Okay, if I'm correct. Oh, this is how you open it. Okay, hold on. Open it this. Oh, here you go. You can change it. I'll leave you the link in the description box down below for the whatchamacallit. I'll leave you the link in the description box for the video, the trailer for the interchangeable compass for this one, the PAV 24. That is. Okay. This is how it looks. And how am I going to demonstrate this? I'm going to put on my Seiko Arnie G-Shock, which indeed I had to replace the band because I've had it for 5 years. I still have it though, but it has the metal keeper. I don't know if I should put it back or not. Nah, I still keep it though. This was one of the first Seikos. So yeah, this is pretty big, and this is a silicone strap. Ooh, it fits right in. Fits like a glove. Tell me something, folks. Oh, ignore that, folks, of the lights going on and off randomly because the damn... I think it's time to change the bulb, or the fourth one is just going on and off. Ignore that, folks. So yeah, looks badass, huh? Let's take a quick shot and see how it looks on the Sparky wrist. Like, right now. Let's see it. So yeah, folks, this is how it looks on my wrist, and this is how it looks. So yeah, folks. But I'm not going to technically wear the watch this weekend. I'm going to wear it for some other time when there's a new action movie going on and such. And plus, sometime in October, rather be right now or tomorrow, I think, or maybe on Saturday, is going to mark the 39th anniversary of the film Commando that stars Arnold Schwarzenegger. 39 years, boys and girls, since that movie came out to the world in 1985. And so yeah, so you can change the compass, whether you want it on a keychain to hang it around your neck, or you could put it here to put it over a wristband that could fit this, or you could put it on a watch. But you got to measure it. You need to use a caliber like the one you've seen in my channel, and making sure this is the right size. And if you saw the beginning of the video, oh, that's interchangeable. Yeah, 20 to 24 millimeters watch band. You have to find, that has to be the right size. Pay attention carefully. So yeah, badass compass, boys and girls. So yeah, I'm gonna see if SempStudios.com online. I'll leave the link in the description box, but if it's not in the link in the description box, then you missed out on getting on a Kickstarters, because I spread the word on that one on my YouTube community. So yeah. So let's give a couple shout outs to that thing of ours from TCF, and also let's give a shout out to the physical media, to the collectors out there, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, and wow, and autograph collectors, and all you collectors out there. Let's give a shout out to you all. And also let's give a shout outs to my subscribers. You know who you are. Shouts to you all. Sorry about that, folks. Plus, if you like content like this or other content, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate your thumbs ups. And have your opinion related to the content, comments down below. And always appreciate the thumbs ups. So, and also, I mean, the YouTube community often posts what time I post videos at a certain time, whether it be the afternoon hours or the early evening hours, but not early morning or late. Depends on the timing, you know. We're just all caught with life, aren't we? So yeah, folks. Anything else more? So yeah, keep an eye on the content, folks. So anyways, y'all. Plus, anybody excited for the new Joker movie? Let me know in the comments as well. So, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you, hear you, and see you on the next vid. Enjoy the weekend, y'all, and later.